Here's something most Michigan homeowners never hear until it's too late. The sheriff's sale has happened, the gavel came down, and you assume that it's over. But what if I told you right now that you may still own your home and have time to sell it, protect your credit, and walk away with something instead of nothing? Stay with me because what happens in the next few months matters more than anything that happened at the auction. My name is Ron Coleman. I'm a real estate agent based in Michigan, and I specialize in one thing: helping homeowners navigate foreclosure before it costs them everything. In the past year, foreclosure filings across the country have climbed 18% year over year. Michigan is not immune. Right now, thousands of homeowners in this state are sitting inside their houses after the sheriff's sale doing nothing because they believe that there's nothing to do. And that's not the case. In this video, I'm going to walk you through exactly what the redemption period is, why you may still have equity in your home, and what your real options look like right now so you can make an informed decision before the clock runs out. What the redemption period actually is. When a sheriff's sale happens in Michigan, the bank or winning bidder does not automatically take possession of your home on that day. Michigan law gives what is called a redemption period, and in most residential foreclosures, that is 6 months from the date of the sale. During those 6 months, you still legally occupy the property. You're not required to make mortgage payments, and most importantly, you still have legal options. In some cases, that period can be 12 months long, and in others, if the home is considered abandoned, it can be as short as 30 days. That's why the moment after a sheriff's sale, time is the single most important resource that you have. You may have more equity than you think. Here's where things get interesting and where most homeowners leave money on the table. Home values across many parts of Michigan have appreciated over the past several years. Even if you were behind on payments and the bank started foreclosure, there is a real possibility that your home is worth more than what was owed. If that is the case and you sell the home during the redemption period, you may be entitled to the surplus, the amount above what the foreclosure payoff requires. That could be thousands of dollars that would otherwise evaporate when the redemption period expired. This isn't a guarantee. Every situation is different. But if you don't explore it, you'll never know. You can still sell during the redemption period. Yes, in most cases, you can still list and sell your home during the redemption period. This is the option that changes everything for homeowners who act quickly. A proper sale, handled with urgency and care, can allow you to pay off the foreclosure debt, avoid a deficiency judgment, protect your credit from the full damage of a completed foreclosure, and potentially walk away with something. This is not a loophole. It is a legal, documented process, one that I've helped Michigan homeowners work through, but it requires speed and someone who understands the timeline. And it also requires you making a call before it is too late to do anything. If anything I've said so far applies to your situation, I want to invite you to reach out to me directly. No pressure, no judgment, just a confidential conversation about where you are and what your options actually look like. Go to DetroitForeclosureAvoidance.com and schedule a confidential review call. You don't have to figure this out on your own. What happens if you do nothing? I want to be honest with you because I feel that you deserve it. If the redemption period expires and you've taken no action, the title of your home transfers to whoever purchased it at the sheriff's sale. At that point, the redemption right is gone. You'll receive a summons to vacate. Any equity that existed is gone, and any opportunity to negotiate is gone. I'm not telling you this to frighten you. I'm telling you because the homeowners I've been able to help most are the ones who called when they still had time, not after they ran out of it. The foreclosure filings rising 18% this year means more families are in this exact position. It also means that there are more people out there who haven't yet been told, and there may still be something you can do. Here's what taking action actually looks like. You reach out privately and we have a conversation. I'll ask about your timeline, your property, what you owe, and what you're hoping to preserve. There's no cost to that conversation or obligation. Everything you share stays between us, and I'm not an attorney and I don't give legal advice. What I do is I help Michigan homeowners understand their real estate options when time is short, and then I help them move fast if there's a path forward. The homeowners who regret not calling aren't the ones who called and decided not to act. They're the ones who waited and never called at all. Let's wrap this up. If you've had a sheriff sale on your Michigan home, or if one is scheduled, here's what I want you to remember. The sale is not the end. The redemption period may be your second chance. You may have equity worth protecting, and there's someone who can help you move quickly without judging how you got here. Go to DetroitForeclosureAvoidance.com right now. Schedule a confidential review. The call is free, and the options may surprise you, but they only exist if you act before the clock runs out. I'll put the link below. I hope you use it. If you're still in the pre-sheriff sale stage, meaning the auction hasn't happened yet, make sure you watch my next video, because there are things you can do right now today that become impossible the moment the sheriff sale takes place. I'll see you there.